Wow. Wow.
Daddy, you did it.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is that perfect?
Yeah.
What you wanted?
Yeah, it's great.
Just like you designed?
It's not really big. It looks great.
Oh, it's not really.
It's great, but it's not the one I made, but it's great.
I tried.
Let's see it,
Do you
Ainsley.
feel a little bit like you can handle it?
Here it is.
Oh.
There's only
I
so
think
much
you did a
data
good
can
job. Dada did a very good job.
Yeah.
Are you proud of your Dada?
I didn't think you could even carve one that small.
Well, one of
Maybe Mama can do this one. Let's have Mama do yours this one.
this one, that one's Daddy's.
Yeah, but maybe Mama can carve it.
Who do you think is going to do a better job, Ainsley?
Don't you think Mama can... Boo Boo, I bet you Mama can do exactly what you drew on this pumpkin right here. Don't you think so? Mama's the artist.
What do you mean?
Mama's more
Oh, what do
artistically
you
talented than Dada.
mean? It's not very.
Is there a pumpkin song, Ainsley?
Yes.
How's it go?
Sing it?
5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." Then through went the wind, and out went the light. Those 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight.
Good job.
That is
That's such a good song! Chocolates! Nice job, young me!